Si anui pui, anui peu, anui pou, anui pai daga, Anthony na jasinta, daga ja. Panai lung zeng na tiura, lung tingge ja lung ra, lung ke ka ja lung ra bugo, hing lam ja. Baby bisi kena mai, anui hai mana ragu hatam tiru ja. Panai hangge songai ja toy ja, panai jirang tiura nega wang ro ja bam ja. Rangil te tiara lo, anui daga si ilam rane baby le.
You know, in the Bible we hear there are so many people who lived above 100 years, very long life. And God had promised them, not only at your young age, even at your old age, I will take care of you. I will walk with you.
The Rasam Rangai Gumba, Anna Blogana, Gunamaka, Anna Blogana wang the Katsing, Tuikapo, to the Kun Kimakatambaga, Ina Nanudu Bambule, Nanudu Ray Bambule, Nanudu Ting Kutsabambule, Rasam the King on the Rangai, the son of my own Sangre.
So today during this Holy Mass, my prayer for our father and mother is this, that at this old age, God may be with them and that they may experience that Jesus is very, very close to them.
Jegnel Maiga, Ani Kan Sivarato, Ani Kulum Ikulungule, Zapanai Daga Pia, Rana Pambamra, the Zisu Christana Panai Lunga Pe Hagong Teluda, the Ting Pata, the Lung the Bamranga, Namaidu Pana Hangzina Panai, Pana Hangzina Toyugule.
In a special way, we pray for Roger Anthony that at this moment of his, let us say, the health really failing, God may be with him to strengthen him.
Then kill Anthony, Anisipio Hanganaka, and kill the Kulungule, the farm maze I pum Landaran Caesar, Rana Tevisa, Paisoto, the thing on the Tolurahang, Nagan, kill the Hanga Kulungule.
I joined with all the sons, daughters, the grandchildren, the great-grandchildren, all of you, in praying for you and together with you thanking God.
Jegana Nakaga, Patapana, Tangaba, Haimana, there's a patata, so Tangabana, Haimana, the Rokam, Ani, Raza Tundi, the Tokyo Tangule.